Welcome to Cursor AI for Coding, your guide to building apps faster and smarter using Cursor AI. Dive in and discover how to streamline your development process with ease. In this course, not just learning Cursor AI, but instead, you're going to put them into practice by building smaller to complex projects without us writing any single line of code. The first project is uBook Marketplace, which is a full stack app using Fullstack. Let's look at the features for this project. In here, a user can log in, register, purchase book, and we have integrated payment into it, and that is using Stripe. First step is click on the View All Books. In here, we have the title, description, price, and then we can purchase this book. If I click on the View Details, it is asking me to log in before purchasing. So here, I'm going to log in using my account. And after logging in, it has taken me to my dashboard with my profile details and the books bought. And below here is my transaction history. And all these are from Stripe. And in here, I can change my password and I can read the book that I have purchased, or I can even download it. Let's see how to purchase a book. If I go to all books here, assuming I want to purchase the CSS book, which is this, I'll click on that. And in here, we have the description and the button to purchase. If I click on that, and I can purchase using my credit card or Apple Pay, I'm going to use my credit card. And I'm going to use some dummy card, and that is 42424242. And then future date. And then any number for that, and choose this country and then pay. As you can see, it is processing and payment success. If I go to my dashboard, I'll be able to see the book that I just purchased, which is this one. And this is a transaction, which is this. And I can download this book. Awesome. And let's see the upload as well. If I click on the upload, I'm going to say the full stack course. The author is Tech. The description, the price is 800, category, backend, tags, Mongoose, Node.js. Then the PDF, I'm going to select some sample PDF. Then the cover image, something like this, and then upload. And book uploaded. If I go to all books, this is a book that I just uploaded, and I can view details and I can purchase this book. Apart from this, we're going to build what is called AI content detector. For this, I have copied some content being generated using ChatGPT and paste that. And in here, I'm going to detect the AI content. And it says that likely AI generated content, which is true. We're going to use Nest.js with Rapid API. The next project is going to be a full stack authentication project using Fullstack, where a user can register, log in, log out, and view his or her profile. The next one is going to be AI content generator. If I say what is JavaScript and generate, and we got the results, we're going to use Node.js and Gemini AI for this. And lastly, we're going to build a simple JavaScript project called expenses tracker. So in here, if I say food, the amount is, then it is expense, category is on food, and add. As you can see, the expenses has increased, and we have the transaction history, and I can remove the transactions as that. So by the end of this project, you can utilize Cursor AI to build your dream project. And one cool thing is that all the final source code for each project will be provided. By the end, you can use Cursor AI to add some cool features or change the UI to make it yours. See you inside the course.